Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create campaigns on your HubSpot CRM, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard, and I'm going to go into marketing and go into campaigns. This is where your process is going to start. However, you do need to have paid for subscriptions to access it. You can start a free trial if you want. However, I won't be doing that because I currently do not have access to my information that I need for this. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys this article right over here. Now, to create a campaign, you just need to go into marketing and campaigns, upper right, click create campaign. You can select help me get started if you want, or just do it myself. I like to do things myself, so I would recommend that choice. And then click start from scratch if you want, and click next. And then in the right panel, you need to configure your details. After creating the campaign, you will be able to edit these details, but you can also configure the properties that are displayed. And what you can edit is the campaign name, the campaign color, the business unit, the campaign owner, start and end date, goal, audience, and code, as well as notes. And at the bottom, once you're done with everything, you just click create. Now, this is what that screen looks like. You add the name over here, and the name is pretty much the only mandatory field that you need to fill up. However, you should start or set up a start and end date. These will be set by default, so I would recommend that you guys change it to whatever you want. And then you can also add goals. In your account, you just go into campaigns and click the name of a campaign and click actions in the upper left, then select edit goals, and then you can enter the goal number for sessions, new contracts, influence, contacts, etc. And then at the bottom, click save. And you can also add assets and content to your campaign if you want to. You just go ahead, click the name of the campaign from the list again, and click actions and add assets. And then you need to select an asset type in the left sidebar. And then to add an existing asset, you can also use the search bar, select the checkbox next to the asset you want, and then click save. Or you can create a new asset if you want to, very easily. Then you can also add tracking URLs for your campaign by going to actions, create tracking URL, and then continue setting up your tracking URL, which looks something like this. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.